Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can generate AI images on Facebook using Meta AI. You'll be able to use Facebook Meta AI to generate any kind of image at all on Facebook. So guys, it's possible and it's very easy to do. So if you want to know how to do it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app right away. So guys, once you open up your Facebook app and you're on your Facebook account, the next step you have to take now is to look out for the Meta AI. So guys, can see the Meta AI there at the top, at the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. That's the Meta AI. That's a new feature on WhatsApp that will enable you to actually generate AI images on Facebook. So guys, the Meta AI at the top is an animated icon. It's usually on motion, it's usually disappearing and appearing. You can see it moving. Sometimes it's going to appear, sometimes it's going to disappear, like I said. So let's just wait for it now. It's going to appear. So guys, now you can see it has appeared. That's how it works. So guys, if you don't find the Meta AI icon at the top of the homepage of your Facebook account, what you have to do right away is to first of all update the Facebook app. Update the Facebook app you're using. Make sure that the Facebook app you're using is the latest version. If you don't update your Facebook app, you're not going to find the Meta AI feature on your Facebook account. So guys, to generate your AI images, what you have to do now is to tap on the Meta AI icon there at the top. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written at the top. Ask Meta AI anything. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to actually tap on the icon there. You can see the Meta AI at the top. You can see the Meta AI icon. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, this is where you're going to do the magic. This is where you're going to be able to generate your AI images. So guys, you can see here, apart from the fact that you can actually use this Meta AI to generate AI images, you can actually use it as well to get answers to any questions that you have. So guys, you can see here, look at the question I asked Meta AI, who is the current president of the United States of America? And you can see there it gave me the response, it gave me the answer in few seconds. So guys, now let me show you guys how to generate your AI images. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see that alphabet A. You can see it there. That's where you need to type in what you want to generate. So guys, now you can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me type on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to type in the text prompt of the image that you want to generate. You have to describe the image that you want to generate in words. So guys, you have to type it in, describe the image using your words. So guys, now let me show you guys an example. So let me type in the text prompt of the image I want this Meta AI to generate for me. So guys, now let me go ahead now to paste the description of the image I want. I've already written the text prompt already. So let me paste it right away. So guys, now you can see my text prompt. Let me get to read it out loud. Let me scroll upward. So guys, now you can see it. Generate an image of an African American man holding a phone that has a white screen. The man should be a customer service personnel for YouTube. The background should be a gradient yellow. The man should be wearing a white t-shirt and a red face cap. The YouTube logo should be on the cap and YouTube written on the front of the t-shirt. Let me scroll downwards again. The cap should be red in color. The man should be smiling. The man should hold the phone forward and outward. So guys, now you can see in general, I just need an image of a customer service personnel for YouTube that is actually holding a phone forward with the YouTube logo on the phone and on the face cap and the t-shirt. So guys, that's what I want. So guys, now for you to proceed, you have to tap on the send icon there on the right hand side. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see my message has been sent. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Meta AI is going to generate our AI image for us. You can see Meta AI is processing. So guys, now you can see, wow guys, you can see our image now. We can see our image. So guys, this is the image I told Meta AI to generate for me. So guys, you can see it's looking so realistic. You can see how it's looking, it's top notch, the saturation, the quality, the resolution is actually high. So guys, now you can see the image has been generated. This is what I asked the Meta AI to generate for me. This is exactly it. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can actually download this AI image into your phone. For you to do that, you have to hold on the image for 2 seconds. So let me give a long press on the image. So guys, now you can see the options down there. You can see the save image icon there. The arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on it, this AI image is going to save into your phone gallery. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, if you like the AI image and want to generate more using this text prompt, what you have to do now is to copy the text prompt and paste it back to regenerate another one. So guys, let me copy it and paste it again. So guys, let me copy the text prompt above. Let me copy it. Let me hold on it. Then let me tap on copy. Then let me paste it right back. Let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. So let me tap on send. So guys, now you can see I've sent it again. Now Meta AI is working on it. In few seconds it's going to generate our AI images. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see it has generated our AI image. This is so amazing. You can see the YouTube logo on the t-shirt, and you can also see it on the face cap. So guys, now you can see that the first AI image generated is a little bit different from this second one. So guys, this is how you can actually regenerate AI images that you want. So guys, if you want to save, let me show you guys another way that you can actually save. Just tap on the image, just tap on it once. So guys, now you can see where it is written more below. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see where it is written save photo. So once you tap on save photo, this image is going to be saved into your phone gallery. So guys, let me tap on it. Yeah, so guys, now you can see saved image. This image now has been saved into my phone gallery. So guys, let me cancel out now. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually generate AI images using your Facebook, using Meta AI on Facebook. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.